nuts or macadamia trees, origin from Hawaii. Then again, everyone, mangosteen trees, still part of our 3 hectares mangosteen orchard. And from up here po pala, ma'am, sir,